Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To troubleshoot HDMI ARC connectivity issues with your TV, firstly, ensure that your TV's HDMI ARC port is in use. Secondly, check and confirm that both the TV and the connected device support ARC functionality. If issues persist, try power cycling both devices by unplugging them for a minute before plugging them back in. Additionally, consider replacing the HDMI cable with one that specifically supports HDMI ARC to eliminate any compatibility issues. Finally, delve into the TV's audio settings to ensure that the HDMI ARC option is enabled.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.